Good afternoon and happy Saturday to you all. I hope you all are having a great day. So, yes, you all, I have a small haul here that I got from $1.25 tree. Not much, but these are some stuff that I purchased to go into my Valentine's Day basket. I saw this tea towel. It says, I'm on my way to steal your heart with it looks reddish or pinkish truck. They had three. I took them all. Don't pay my gnome any mind. It's just sitting there watching over everything. I purchased these baskets or whatever you call them. It's two to a pack, 125. This one just have the pink hearts, pink and white. This one have the red heart, 125. These giant, let me move these giant hearts, 5 to a pack. I purchased this so that I can glue this onto the front of a gift basket. I purchased 2 of them, and I have this glitter, I think it says love on it or I love you. They're 5 pieces. As I said, this is supposed to go on the front of baskets. I saw this LOL, what is this? LOL easy to make pool party pop out assembly and display to go into one of my LOL baskets. I got these foam felt stickers. This is 100 to a pack. I believe you could peel the back off and stick it on anything. I saw these baskets in a heart shape. They had 3, and of course, I took them. Then this bucket, I like the shape of this. This one says heart and hugs, and this one says love you always. It looks shapes like a bathtub. These 2-pack buckets that looks like, I would say, those popcorn thingy. I'm going to use this and make it into a gift basket. I saw these jumbo hearts. Who did I see made this into a rose heart? I think it was LBE. So I said I'm going to try this and see what it looks like. Here I have these. It says a delicious treat, Oliver's 2 milk chocolatey pretzel rods. I don't know why I didn't buy the whole entire thing, because when I went back, it was gone. They had none. They have this one chocolate with the pink sprinkles, and they have this one with the pink, red, and white chocolate scattered all over it. I got this Spider-Man 2-pack basket, 109. One of the Spider-Man, one of the Paw Patrol, and whatever they had in LOL, I took them all. These ribbons, I picked up a few ribbons because the ribbons I have is basically for Christmas or spring. I didn't have any of this that says Valentine's Day and stuff like that, so I purchased a few of these. I finally found these candles in the pink. This is pomegranate, and the other one is ocean breeze. What else? I saw these little teddy bears. Oh my goodness, I love these. These are gorgeous, even though they're small, but these are like for my smaller mug gifts and stuff like that. And it's the Fuzzy Friends, and it's chocolate infused, so when you smell it, it smells like chocolate. So I have the brown ones with the pink. Brown with the pink, I found those, and I found 2 of these pink with the green, and I found these red and white. I saw this also at Dollar Tree, this facial wipes, and the reason why I purchased it because of the color. There's something else that's missing here. There's something else I'm missing. Just hold on 1 second, I'll get the other item. Okay, so this is what was missing. I have these cotton candy. This also came from the Dollar Tree. It's 3 to a pack, and as you could tell, I took the whole display. I took the whole display, and it's so funny. I went back there. I checked like three Dollar Trees, and there was none. And what I like about this is they're all individually packed. So if you want, take it apart and put one in each basket. But what I'm going to do this like in a candy bouquet. So I'm going to actually take it apart and put it in a basket. But for this, I don't know why I did not buy everything. And now I'm looking back, I should have, because this will look good going in a candy bouquet with these. So I'll check other Dollar Tree and see if they have any, and I'll get it. So as I said, this is a little small haul, not much. After shopping at Burlington and Walmart, I'm not gonna say I'm over shopping. I'm exhausted, but if I see more stuff that's on clearance, you bet your booty I'm gonna get it. All right. These, y'all, if you see this jumbo bow at Walmart, this came out Christmas time. You could still purchase this and put this on a giant gift basket. Nothing on here says Christmas, nothing at all. So if you see this, get this. Let's see what the regular price. Oh, the regular price was $4.49. And I think this was what, 70% off, 75% off. I think I paid something like 89 cents for it. Yeah. So with that being said, guys, this is all I have for you. Take care, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye. So yes, y'all, I'm here at Dollar General, and I got me some of these cuddly cutie candies. I want this to go into my Valentine's Day gift basket because I didn't get any candy at Walmart, so these were $1. I prefer to buy it here for $1 than to go to Dollar Tree and pay $1.25. So $1 at Dollar General. I have 24 of them. It's going to my Easter baskets, and if you watch my previous videos, you see where I haul these also. These are the gift boxes for Christmas. These were 50 cents. And yes, you all, I'm still finding penny items. It's so funny. I came to the store last week and the line was so long. This was the only thing I picked up. When I scanned it, it was coming up 00. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to stay in the line just for a penny. So I left it. I didn't hide it. I just leave it on the shelf where I was. I am back at Dollar General and I saw it in the same spot. I checked to make sure none of them is cracked. Here is the barcode. This is a penny. And here I found this tote, this Harvest canvas basket for a penny also. The cashier was like, oh, we missed that one. You missed that Harvest. I'm like, yes, ma'am. So let me show you all the receipt for those two items. Here is the measuring cup, a penny, and the red set basket bin, a penny. And here are the cards. What else did I get? And here are all the cuddly cuties that I purchased. And guys, I think this was free. Why I said it was free is because it's money I got from Ibotta that I sent to my PayPal account, and that's what I used to pay this. So actually, this was actually free. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you all next time. Bye.